5 Best Coffee Makers. Here is the product number 5. Cups Coffee Maker Pot Stainless Steel Mocha Espresso Latte. Features: this coffee maker is made of superior stainless steel material, easy to clean, ergonomic plastic handle design, which fits in the hand comfortably. It is small size and exquisite appearance, makes your life more elegant. This product can be placed on any cooking appliance, and just in few minutes you will enjoy a superb coffee. Know this: before first use, please wash it 3 times at least, making sure it is cleaned. The water mustn't over the relief valve. Package weight: 0.717 kilograms. Product size LXWXH. Here is the product number 4. Mocha Espresso Coffee Maker Latte Piano Cottura Filtro Coffee Machine. Mocha Espresso Coffee Maker Latte Piano Cottura Filtro Coffee Machine Coffee Pot Percolator Tools Cafetiere Coffee Maker Pot. Method of operation: 1. The hot water into the next cup, the height should not exceed the pressure relief valve. 2. Grinding coffee powder, recommended small eagle 2-3 file, the coffee powder into the powder cup, can be more down some. With chopsticks or bin spoon will be more powder smoothed. Do not press the powder, so as not to powder too. Real water pressure cannot penetrate the coffee powder, cannot extract the coffee liquid. Here is the product number 3. Glantop Aluminum 1 cup/3 cup/6 cup/9 cup/12 cup Italian stove. This octagon-shaped stovetop espresso maker is made with a cast aluminum frame. The 2-chamber attach with a simple screw lock and are separated by a rubber gasket. The pouring top is constructed with a copper safety valve to avoid overflow during boiling, and the built-in filter funnel is easy to keep clean. Capacities: 1 cup, 50 ml 3 cup, 150 ml 6 cup, 300 ml 9 cup, 450 ml 12 cup, 600 ml. Here is the product number 2. Homeleader Coffee Makers Italian Top Mocha Espresso. Moka Pot. In a Moka Pot, is a tool for extracting espresso coffee in Europe and Latin American countries, in the United States known as the Italian drip pot. Moka Pot is a 2-story structure, arranged in the lower portion of a boiling water after boiling. It is equipped with a coffee powder of the mesh filter in a top half of a pot. Although not used in a hot water injection, pressure can be finely ground coffee powder, but strictly speaking it is not espresso extraction, but closer to the hourglass. But Moka Pot coffee still has Italy concentration, and taste of coffee espresso, about size. Here is the product number 1. Mini Manual Portable Coffee Maker Mini Espresso Manually Handheld. Size: height, 196 mm, upper diameter, 55 mm, lower diameter, 58 mm, coffee powder capacity, 10 grams, water capacity, 140 ml, material, plastic PP stainless steel 304 silicone. Features: make a pretty good espresso with this portable and easy to use coffee maker. Great for using at home or at the office. Hot selling products from top sellers. All orders shipped from AliExpress warehouses within 24 hours. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.